All right, guys, welcome back. It is the last week of Fluke season. I'm really excited. I got an awesome trip planned today. I got Mike there from M&K Outdoors. We're gonna be doing a little bit of collab today. We're hopefully gonna do some fishing, some clamming, stuff like that. Also got Mara there and got Kaylee off there in the distance. I'm really excited to fish with him today, and let's see if we can catch some fluke. So 1 ounce is not holding bottom at all. So I got, I think that's 3 ounces on right now. All right, so Mike and I have been fishing like 10 minutes, bucktailing. Nothing yet. I'm just gonna keep working this thing. Lost my gulp. Come on, just a cast.
There it is. There it is.
Oh!
Oh,
Woo! Oh my God. Had to time that just right.
that was perfect.
All right, first catch of the day with M&K. Bag of gulp. I think we're gonna go clam, and the bite's not too good right now. It is a little bit cold. We're making it out here. The fishing wasn't too good, so I'm hoping that we can get some clams. Mike's gonna show me how to do that right now.
Lean it on my shoulder, right?
Okay.
And then left hand, right hand, and kind of push, and just walk backwards.
Lean it on your shoulder.
Bump, and you'll feel it. You'll know when you're in, even if it's a small one.
How far do you dig in?
I just kind of, I'm not really digging, I'm just dragging.
Okay.
I'm putting a little, like, I just like kind of like my palms,
Yeah.
and just kind of like walking backwards.
All right, we're clamming. Thought I felt them. Yep. There he is. All right, that's a nice one. There was a big one here somewhere.
Ew, I just felt so.
Yeah, it's like all over there.
Ew. You know, I'm just gonna go like this.
Yep. There we go.
Got it?
Yep. Oh, you got a few of them.
Yeah. I see.
Nice.
Mara, how many do you have? 2?
11.
10, 11, so we're almost at a dozen.
Sweet.
This time of year, that's not bad at all.
I'm coming over to Mara, and that's the 3rd one in a row in the same spot. Whoa, that one's huge.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at the size of that one.
Woo.
All right, we made it back from clamming. Mike's making a little hot dog lunch. Kaylee over there. Got some grilling going on. All right, so we were lucky enough to catch some clams, and the rule is, first time out, you have to eat it raw. Is that right?
That's right.
This is pomegranate mignonette.
Oh, it's delicious.
Made with pomegranate juice, shallot, some pepper, champagne vinegar, and just a little bit of that. Pomegranate goes really well on there.
Yeah.
So this one is for Boxy. Boxy, if you're watching, you gotta eat the raw clams.
All right, cheers.
Oh, that's good, man. Yeah, I told you.
He's right, it's sweet.
It's sweet. So Boxy, you come clamming with us, you gotta eat one raw. That's the rule.
That's good, maybe we should have another one, bro.
I'll try one.
Another one.
Wow.
Right?
So not bad at all.
Those are good. I just got a little bit of sand.
Yeah. Normally I don't like clams. But
That's
it's a good
delicious.
clam.
That really is good. It's sweet. Clams are purging. And we were lucky. We got like 4 dozen today. Right? 4 dozen? around 4 dozen. That's absolutely amazing. I'm so happy we were able to get that. And we're gonna get started cooking this seafood risotto. Got all these ingredients here ready to go. Show you what we got going on. And I'm gonna start sweating out some onions. So I'm gonna get some butter in there. I'm gonna start doing that. So I was actually getting ready to make this risotto and my outdoor burner got a leak. So now I'm just gonna try to cook this on the grill. I hope that it comes out. But I think we should be okay. All right, so we got the onions ready to go. Gonna put that rice in there. This is Arborio rice. We're not gonna make we're gonna make that much. That's all nice and toasted. Got some wine right here. So we're gonna put that right in. Let that wine reduce. Then we're gonna start cooking this. We're gonna add some seafood stock in. Got some of that right here. Once the rice is starting to get cooked and it's close to being done, we're gonna add some cheese, butter, parsley, and that's gonna make it all nice and smooth, and it's gonna be delicious, guys. Hey, while we're waiting for that risotto, might as well keep eating some clams. Oh, they're so good. All right, so that soaked up the wine, and now we're just gonna gradually add the stock. Just gonna keep mixing that. I'm probably gonna have that amount of stock in it, and if it runs out, you just keep refilling it until your rice is cooked. All right, so that risotto is just about there. I'm gonna finish it with cheese, butter, parsley, but we're gonna start steaming the clams. And I got some onion butter in there. Gonna throw the clams in, some white wine, let those open, add some butter and lemon, and that's it. So I just put the butter in there, letting that all steam. Fresh lemon, finish it with some parsley.
Oh yeah.
And we're just gonna let those guys finish. A little bit more parm.
I think the plates will blow away.
Product,
Yeah, just hold the plate.
fresh Jersey clam risotto. That's perfect. It's good. There we
Take
go,
that
guys.
clam.
Fresh clams caught this morning.
We're just gonna finish that off with a little bit of that juice that was left over from the clams. Look at that, guys. Holy crap. I'm gonna dig in. Alright, so I made it back. I forgot to do an outro after we ate that food, but man was that clam risotto good. I want to take a second to thank M&K Outdoors for making it out there with me today. I had a great time collabing with you guys. If you haven't checked their channel out, I'm posting the link in the description. They're really awesome. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time on The Line Cook.